Now we're slowly coming out of the Listen Wide tunnel. We're slowly entering Listen Wide, also known as Marylebone Wide. It is a small gated community for the liveaboard boats. Now above the liveaboard boats, if you're wondering, is London's most ugliest building. It is the St John's Wood substation.
We're on a boat today and we set off from Little Venice on our way to Camden. And it's not the Thames, is it? I don't know. We're on some water. It looks like a canal. And there you go. There you go. Someone knows where they are and what they're doing. Regent's Canal. Canal means it's man-made, right?
Yeah, I think they used to ship everything.
Okay.
Along here back in the 1800s.
But so no, you're not. No, it's a pleasant contribution.
It's called the Chalbert Bridge.
There we go.
Carries a secret river in the pipe to cross the canal.
This is the second boat trip. It's been to one in Bristol. And this is the second one.
Today is Dawood's second boat trip and my second anniversary. Is that? It feels like more. We've arrived here in Camden, Camden Lock. Are they going to bring the buggy?
Yeah, you need to take the buggy.
But do they bring it?
Well,
Thank you very much.
No worries, darling.
How long have we got?
I don't know. It's 2:10.
Yeah.
We've got about 20
We've
minutes.
had a lovely trip up the, not a river, it's a canal. And getting on the boat, I had the umbrella out to protect myself from the wind. And a little boy said, "Daddy, why do some people have umbrellas when it's not even raining that much?" And that little boy was wearing a mask. For safety. For safety. I use my umbrella to protect you. Okay. All right. Happy anniversary.
Merci.
We got speaking to another gentleman who was not wearing a mask. Most people are not wearing masks now anyway. Don't think it's a done thing anymore. Even when the signs say we advise that you wear a mask or we request it. Anyway, this chap was wearing a "I'm exempt" lanyard around his neck, and he was very friendly. I find that people that wear that sort of thing tend to be friendly. They tend to be the kind of person that will stop you for a chat, which is a dying art form in this country at the moment, probably around the world. We're becoming distant from each other. We're being told to keep our distance. So it's always nice to have a chat with a stranger. He was Scottish as well. They also tend to be quite a friendly nation. This is why you bring an umbrella. Can I put it up with one hand? I'm trying the steak and chips from Steak and Chips here in Camden, and I've added a fried egg for only £1 extra.
Robert Browning and his wife Elizabeth Barrett Browning, and it reminded them of the canals back in Venice, to ever make it as a canal roundabout. So I'd say a very thank you for joining us today.
Well done. Well, that was a fun trip. The London Water Bus Company boat tour, and we survived it. And the rain is just about to come down.
Happy anniversary.
Café La Ville in Little Venice. You having a beer? The celebrations are continuing. We're on the way to Café Donissa, I think, in the pouring rain. It's always lively around here. I think there's some break dancers. I don't know what I want. They have everything.